My first question is good communication necessary?
Yes, it is necessary. Good communication help us explain our ideas easily. It saves time and talk clearly. Uh, it it helps people understand each other.
My second question is how can you develop good communication skills?
We can improve by reading and speaking more. Um, Reading and speaking help us learn new words. This gives us confidence. Talk with other.
My third question is do you like parties?
Yes, I do. I go to many parties like birthday and farewell. I enjoy talking with my friend. Um, I I makes new friend. Parties help me new people.
My fourth question is what do you parties not want to go to?
I don't like boring parties. I don't go to boring parties. There were no music or dance. I also avoid parties and someone home.
My fifth question is what do you do in your spare time?
Uh, I like go to uh, I like go to movies and a restaurant with my friend. If I stay at home, my family scold me. Then I help my family. Um, Sometimes I watch TV and play my favorite games.
My sixth question is tell me about TV programs that you find interesting.
I like watch Madam Sir comedy show. It is a very comedy show. It helped me happy feel and laughing. Um, it show is uh, watching this show. Uh, I I forget my stress and tiredness.
My seventh question is do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch TV. Watching TV is fun for me. I like uh, um, watching TV. Uh, I relax, help me. It help me relax after a busy day. Mhm. I like to watch a comedy and learning programs.
My eighth question is do you think TV is useful?
Yes, TV is useful. We can learn things from TV. Uh, Old people can watching religion shows. Uh, uh, we can housewife can watching cooking shows and learn new recipes. We can watching news and know what happening in world.
My ninth question is what do you time are you watch TV?
I watch TV 1 or 2 hour in every day. I think it enough. um, uh, Watching much TV is uh, not good for health.
My tenth question is do you like sports?
Yes, I like sport. I play many game with my friend and brother. I also watching sport on TV. Uh, Sport are good for health. They keep us strong and active.